can change life. They can clone, they can manipulate the DNA, they can make different kinds of life, but they cannot create the spark of life. That only comes from the ether.
Mm-hmm.
So let me ask you another, go ahead.
Could we say that the ether, it's this subtle substance that underlies and interconnects all the elements necessary in order to create living beings?
Okay, so we can get into elements. Everything, most of the things I mentioned were elements. They're on the periodic table as separate things, individual particles of different things. Well, that's not how the universe works. Light is in a spectrum, right? There, anywhere from gamma radiation to radio, right? And in the middle of that, we cannot see gamma rays, which are very intense small waves, and we can't see bigger radio waves. But in the middle, there's a thing called I can't remember what it's called. But anyways, visible light.
Okay.
We can see the light from the sun. We can see ultraviolet light from blue lights. We can see red light. We can see a lot of different light, but the light we can actually see is like 1/1,000,000th of the actual spectrum of light. Now, light is one thing. It's light. It's electromagnetic energy. It's not millions of different things. It's one thing that can create millions of different things. So depending on the frequency of the molecule, oxygen vibrates at a different frequency. Now, this is all mainstream science. The oxygen atom, it doesn't exist. The oxygen does vibrate at a different frequency, a much faster frequency than gold. Gold is much denser. It has a slower frequency of light. So light and hydrogen are related. They're basically made out of the same thing. It's like making a note. You can have 1,000 notes in a musical piece, but it's all the same it's all the same tone for music. It's different variations of music. It's like one tone playing a symphony.